Hello friends, welcome to Shiva Academy. This video series is mainly to address the questions and the comments that I am receiving through mail or in the comment section. As a continuation of that, here is a question that I have received from one of the subscriber. Thank you Pankaj for sending this question. First let me explain what is the question is about, then I will show you how to write a SQL to achieve this functionality. So here the expectation is we need to write a SQL to print the numbers in such a way that one will be printed in one row, 2 will be printed in 2 rows, 3 will be printed in 3 rows, 4 will be replicated in 4 rows, similarly 5 in 5 rows. So this is the expectation. As I always say, for the same functionality, we can implement in very different methods. Okay, so in this video, I am going to show you very simple and easy to understand method to implement this functionality. Let us assume that we have a table contains values like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how can we print like or replicate this? So the easiest way is you just take a copy of that and do a Cartesian product. When you do a Cartesian product, there are 5 rows in this table 1 and 5 rows in table 2. It will just return 25 record. Once you got 25 record, then you just filter out whatever the rows you are interested in. For example, in our case, we are interested in the rows that are less than the rows from table 2. For example, if you do a Cartesian product, this will just print like 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5. Similarly, it will print like 2 1, 2 2, 2 3. Similarly, it will go. So what is the rows that we are interested in is, so we are interested in this record and we are interested in these 2 record. Similarly, in the other set like 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5. Here we are interested in these 3 record. If you see very clearly, what we are interested in is whatever the value from table 1 is less than or equal to the value from table 2. So the condition is table 1 dot column less than or equal to table 2 dot column. That's it. Okay, let me just show you the SQL so that it will be much more simple. So let us write a SQL first to print a sequence number from 1 to 5. So I am using select row num from dual, connect by level less than or equal to 5. Okay. So let me make this as a with class. Let's say with D as select star from D. Let me just give alias like R. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to say this is my table 1 and I'm just going to take the same copy D as table 2. So this will be a simple Cartesian product. You can see now it is just printing 25 record. The only thing what I'm going to do, I'm just going to say where t1.r less than or equal to t2.r. That's it. Anyway, we are not interested in printing this information, that is the column 1 information. So let us just select only t2.r. So let me just order by 1. So now if you see, we just got 1 is printed once, 2 is printed 2 times, 3 is printed 3 times. Okay, so you can just go and change this number as per the requirement of your functionality. Okay, so here is the query. Okay, so the key learning here is like we are just printing like 1 to 5 and then we are just doing a join. The key condition is this one only. Okay. I hope you would have learned something new today. Okay, if you want any other questions to be answered, you can post it in the comment section or you can drop to this mail ID or you can just browse through the already posted question because many of the questions are already covered here. If you're not able to find your question here, please write back to me. I'll be happy to record and post as a new video. And thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have learned something new, please like this video, subscribe and stay tuned for new future video, interview question, SQL practical question and concept videos. Thank you.